Don't take long on the rake. Good for the arm muscles. Twist the wheel and the weight. I feel like alright, he feel a little more. That's more. It's gonna be a short time. All we're gonna do in the workout because I got a boot coming in. You gotta edit that too, right?
I sure will.
Alright. I'll start talking. Alright, feel at the knee.
Man, that's a good technique right there.
Man, if 48 can do it, I'm gonna show a 50-year-old can do it. I'm almost there. If you got no music, keep the music in your head. Mine of choice is disappear. Metallic. Simple. Oh, this is fun. You don't have to slow that down. Little chainsaw, old school. Or older than old school. Little kids, do not try this at home. Honkai! And I said, do not try this at home, little kids. I like the bit of the knees. Always bit of the knees. Save money on back brace. You got more up in the cut? I'll take you. Balance is the key. Got to have balance. something new. This ain't for the young folks too. This is for the old heads too. Get off the couch. When you do it all with rhythm, because you know you got it. Let me grab that rake.
Welcome to another edition of Nature's Own Home Workouts. Simple yard workout. Okay? Simple yard work. Yard work can and should be performed wherever you're located. If you're in the snow, you shovel. If you're in the woods, you chop. If you're in the country, you till, you edge, plant, mow, and many other things of the like. Now, we often pay others and pay companies, or at the worst, we let our yards and our environments grow out of control, look atrocious, get messy. But this type of workout will defeat all that. It is the remedy for all that. Yard work is not only beneficial to you, the one working the yard, but to the beauty of your landscape. It's beneficial to your environment, for your neighbors, your children, and the overall health and beauty of your area. Again, trim your trees, rake, shovel your snow, mow, cut, dig, and chop. Now, it doesn't seem like it, but simple outdoor chores burns many calories, and they also have tons of other benefits, especially if you're in a place that has plenty of sunlight and or humidity. Men, women, and children can easily perform outside yard work and easily perform yard work activities. With some guidance, some hustle, and a few instruments, you are well on your way to conducting large amounts of beneficial yard work, large amounts of essential yard work. If not for yourself, then for your neighbors, your community, and you might even earn a buck doing it for others. So on a slow day or a boring afternoon, get out and get into it. There are many direct benefits to the beautification of your yard. Many. And if you're afraid of repetitions, if you're afraid of calisthenics and weights, if you're too lazy to sign up to a gym, or if you're burnt out with working with a trainer or getting a trainer, or if you want to save money, then yard work is the perfect alternative for fitness. Why pay when you should be connecting with your yard, keeping your children active, chatting with friends while having a good time, doing yard work? Like the young man we see here in this video, in which you wouldn't believe his age. It's unbelievable how old this young man is. But many folks, especially here in the South, engage in yard work. And without formal fitness routines, many of the people who engage in yard work maintain a decent shape. Get some sun, have some fun, sweat, and do your best. Big shout outs and thank you to Elder Jan. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Nature's Own Home Workouts. Have a beautiful day.